Every week, I meet seniors who tell me almost the same thing. They say, "My legs feel weak now. I get tired just walking from one room to another. My knees hurt when I stand for too long. Even climbing stairs feels impossible." And I always tell them, "You're not alone." Almost every person after 60 experiences this change. But here's the truth. Your body still has power. Your legs, your muscles, your bones, they can be rebuilt. Science has proven it. And the best part? You don't need expensive medicines to start. All you need is one small change in your morning coffee. Before we talk about what to add to your coffee, let's understand what's really happening in your body. As we grow older, three main things begin to change. First, we start losing muscle mass, something called sarcopenia. After the age of 40, we lose about 1% of our muscle each year. By 70, that can mean nearly 1/3 of leg strength is gone. That's why stairs feel heavier, and walking long distances feels harder. Second, our bones begin to lose their thickness. Bones are living tissues. They are always rebuilding, but after 60, the rebuilding slows down, especially in women after menopause. The structure inside bones, the collagen framework, becomes weaker, and third, blood flow and nutrition to the legs become less efficient. You might notice swelling, stiffness, or cramps, especially at night. So, you see, it's not just one problem. Your muscles, bones, and joints are connected. If one becomes weak, the others follow. And that's why to truly rebuild strength, we must nourish all three together. Now let's talk about coffee, because coffee itself isn't the enemy. In fact, it gives energy, improves alertness, and helps metabolism. The issue is, most seniors drink coffee alone, without adding anything that feeds the muscles and bones. So your body gets energy for a while, but nothing to rebuild strength. It's like turning on a car engine without putting fuel in the tank. So the idea is simple. Keep your coffee, but turn it into a rebuilding drink. And for that, the secret ingredient is something called collagen peptides. Collagen is the glue that holds your body together. It's a special protein found in your skin, muscles, bones, joints, and tendons. Collagen makes up almost 1/3 of all the protein in your body. But after 50, your body makes much less of it. By 70, production can drop to half. That's why skin sags, joints ache, and bones weaken. Now here's the hopeful part. Research shows that when you add collagen back into your diet, your body starts to repair itself again. In studies from Germany, seniors who took collagen peptides for 12 weeks gained muscle strength and reduced body fat. In women over 60, collagen improved bone density, meaning thicker, stronger bones. And athletes found that collagen reduced joint pain and improved recovery. So collagen isn't just for beauty. It's for power, mobility, and protection. Here's how to add it to your day. Every morning, brew your regular coffee, black, milk, or decaf, whichever you like. Then add 1 scoop, about 10 grams of hydrolyzed collagen peptides. Choose a flavorless kind. It dissolves easily and doesn't change the taste. You can add a little warm milk or almond milk. That gives extra calcium and protein. If you like, sprinkle a small pinch of cinnamon powder. It helps with circulation and joint comfort, and there you have it. Your simple strength coffee. 1 cup a day can make a world of difference. Now, for collagen and calcium to work properly, they need their best partner, vitamin D. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium into the bones. Without it, even if you drink milk or take supplements, calcium just passes through. The good news? Vitamin D is free. Just 15 to 20 minutes of morning sunlight every day gives you enough. Early sunlight before 10 a.m. is gentle and safe. You can also get vitamin D from eggs, fish like salmon or sardines, and fortified milk. And if your doctor recommends, you can take a small vitamin D3 supplement. When collagen, calcium, and vitamin D work together, your bones become denser and stronger, like a house being rebuilt from the inside out. But let me remind you, no supplement works alone. Your muscles and bones need a signal to grow, and that signal is movement. So after you drink your coffee, spend 10 to 15 minutes moving your legs. You don't have to go to the gym. Simple movements are enough. March in place while holding a chair. Lift one leg and lower it slowly while sitting. Rise on your toes to strengthen your calves. Take a short morning walk if possible. When you move, your brain tells your body, send nutrients to the legs. That's when the collagen and calcium go exactly where they're needed. Movement is like a messenger that brings your efforts to life. Science supports all this. In one study, older men who took collagen daily and exercised saw a 10% increase in leg strength in 12 weeks. In another study, older women who took 5 grams of collagen daily for a year improved their bone density by 3 to 5%. And in Japan, seniors reported less knee pain and better walking ability after taking collagen peptides regularly. That's why this simple habit, coffee with collagen, sunlight, and gentle exercise, is being called nutritional physiotherapy. It's nutrition and movement working hand in hand. Now, let's talk about your food. What you eat through the day supports your morning coffee routine. Include leafy greens like spinach, kale, or moringa for calcium and magnesium. Eat eggs for vitamin D and good protein. Fish like salmon and sardines for omega-3 fats. Add nuts and seeds, almonds, walnuts, flaxseed for joint flexibility. And of course, drink enough water. Dehydration makes muscles and joints stiff. Avoid too much sugar or processed food. They increase inflammation and weaken bones. You may ask, how long before I feel better? Well, everyone's body is different, but here's what most seniors experience. After 2 weeks, stiffness begins to fade. After 1 month, legs feel lighter and balance improves. After 3 months, walking becomes easier and confidence returns. And after 6 months, bones become stronger, posture improves, and your energy feels renewed. The secret is consistency. Do it every morning, like brushing your teeth. Now, let me remind you of a few precautions. Always check with your doctor. Before starting new supplements, especially if you have kidney problems or are taking medication, choose a good quality collagen brand. Look for the words hydrolyzed collagen type Y and 3. Never overuse vitamin D or calcium. Take only what's needed. And if you have diabetes or heart issues, choose coffee without sugar or use natural stevia. I've seen this transformation with my own eyes. Seniors who could barely walk across a room started walking confidently again. People in their 70s and 80s felt younger, steadier, and even danced again at family weddings. Their legs didn't just become strong. Their confidence came back. They began to believe in their bodies again. And that's the most beautiful part. The human body never stops responding to care. It's never too late. So here's your simple morning plan. Wake up and stretch for 1 minute. Prepare your coffee. Add collagen, a little milk, and cinnamon. Sit in sunlight for 10 minutes. Do light leg movements, even while holding a chair. Drink water through the day and eat foods that nourish your bones. Repeat it daily and give your body a reason to thank you. My dear seniors, I want to tell you something from my heart. You've taken care of your families, worked hard, and given so much love to others. Now, it's time to take care of yourself. Your legs are your freedom. They carry you to prayers, to gardens, to friends. Take care of them, because when your legs are strong, your life feels full again. If you found this talk helpful, please subscribe to this channel, so I can continue to guide you every week with natural, science-based advice for senior strength and health. Click the bell icon, and let's rebuild your strength together. Also, I'd love to hear from you. Tell me in the comments how old you are when you started your strength coffee routine and what changes you felt. I read every single comment, and it always makes me happy to see your progress. And please share this video with another senior, friend or family member, someone who deserves to feel strong again. Remember, aging is not the end of strength. It's the beginning of wisdom. And when you give your body the right care, it always responds. So, tomorrow morning, when you sip your coffee, don't just drink it. Feel proud, because that one small habit is rebuilding your legs, your bones, and your confidence, one cup at a time.